Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a sticky BMW X3 interior door handle. First, gather all your necessary tools for the job. You will need a trim removal tool, a set of Torx screwdrivers, and of course, your brand new replacement handle. Having a clean and well-lit workspace will make the process much smoother and help you avoid losing any small parts. Let's get started with the disassembly. Now, let's remove the old, sticky handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim pieces that conceal the mounting screws. Use your trim removal tool to prevent any damage to the plastic. Once the trim is off, you will see several Torx screws. Unscrew these to loosen the handle assembly. Finally, gently disconnect any electrical connectors and cables attached to the handle before fully removing it from the door panel. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully reattach all electrical wiring and cables to the corresponding points on the new handle assembly. Ensure each connection is secure. Next, align the new handle with the mounting points on the door panel. Once properly aligned, insert and firmly tighten all the Torx screws you removed earlier, ensuring the handle is securely fastened to the door. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Carefully snap all the interior trim pieces back into their original positions around the new door handle. Make sure they are flush and secure. Once everything is reassembled, test the new door handle's functionality multiple times. Open and close the door from the inside to ensure it operates smoothly and reliably. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your BMW X3 interior door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.